Hey happy bees, it's Amanda, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this pirate cake topper. You can find links in the description below for everything that you need to create this at home, so let's get straight into it. We're going to start out by making the pirate's boots, and to do that you're going to need some black modelling paste in a snake shape. You're going to cut that in half and use your finger to flatten down one end. Then you're going to bend the other side up. Using a snake piece of red modelling paste now, you're going to bend it downwards so that both ends meet. And put a few little indentations on the trousers if you like. I'm going to cut out some strips of yellow modelling paste now, place those onto the trousers, and some thicker strips of black modelling paste to create a trim for the top of his boots. Use a piece of red modelling paste to create a torso. There are templates to go along with this cake topper, I'll talk about that in a bit. So your little pirate's going to need a neck, and we're going to create that by using a cylinder piece of flesh modelling paste. You're going to press down on one side and place that on top of the torso and insert a skewer. Tidy up the neckline of his top using some red modelling paste, and go in and add some stripes using some white modelling paste. I'm going to use a strip of black to create a belt for our little pirate, and cut out a square of white modelling paste to create a belt buckle. Using some blue modelling paste now to create a jacket. 2 pieces of red modelling paste now to create a collar for our little pirate. And again a snake piece of modelling paste cut in half for arms. You're going to use a teardrop piece of flesh coloured fondant to create hands. And you're just going to go in with a knife and create a thumb and 4 fingers. Going to add some oval pieces to his boots now, and go in with some gold edible paint. Use a large oval piece of flesh coloured modelling paste now, and create an indentation in the middle with your finger. Then you're going to take both your thumbs and press down gently, and use your fingers to create a little nose. Create a little smile line. And I'm using the end of a cake decorating tool here to create eye sockets. You're going to fill those eye sockets with some black fondant, and use a dotting tool and some white edible paint to create catch lights. Don't forget to give your nose some little nostrils. And 2 tiny pieces of brown fondant to create eyebrows. I'm giving him some rosy cheeks here with some peach edible dust. And give him some ears using an oval piece of modelling paste cut in half. Now you're going to use some teardrop pieces of fondant or modelling paste, create little indentations to make it look like hair, and layer those on top of your little pirate's head. So now that the head's finished, we're going to secure it on top of the body. And we're going to go ahead and create him a little pirate hat. If you're creating this little guy and you need some extra help, I've put together some templates for you to go along with this tutorial. There'll be a link in your screen now or in the description below if you're interested in purchasing those. And if there's anything else you can think of that I can do to help you out, let me know in the comments below. Sometimes when you're starting out making figures, it can be really difficult and disheartening at first, and I want to be here to help and encourage you in any way I can. So keep creating, and I'll see you in next week's tutorial. Bye guys!